All right, so we've just come up from the auxiliary gate that way towards the main gate, because this is where I've got most of my other construction material. I've got the sand here, which again came from the seasonal river. It's not the most ideal, but it will do the job. Okay, it's quite cheap actually. This is quite cheap. The standard construction sand that they use here is this one, which is quite good. So this is the one of the best ones. So there is this quality, which is different from that quality, which is different from, there is another quality which is quite golden in color. I think that's the top quality. So it's the golden one, and then this one, then the brown one. So this comes from another part of the county. This is just from the seasonal rivers. They just take it from all over the place here. And then the main disadvantage of this sand is it requires a lot of cement. I mean, the ratio of sand to cement when you are using this sand is quite you basically need more cement with this sand as compared to that sand. So basically, when using this, you need 3 wheelbarrows, 3 to 1 basically. So 3 wheelbarrows to 1 bag of cement. With that one is 2 wheelbarrows to 1 bag of cement. So basically you'll need more. You need more cement when using that type of sand, which is it's a give and take basically. So it's cheap in terms of procurement, but on the other hand, it requires a lot more cement for it to work properly. I mean, you could squeeze it a little bit, especially if it's a structure which doesn't have a lot of load on it, but still, I mean, a structure where human beings reside needs to be as safe as possible. So this needs a lot of cement as compared to that one. So, but if you do the price comparison, because this one is 3,000 shillings, that one is 8,000 shillings. Okay, so you can do the economics there, depending on how big your structure is, to see whether if you use this sand with the amount of bags of cement you will need to complete the structure as compared to that one, where will you be saving money? So in my case, using this sand was more economical as compared to using that sand over there. So let me take you to the stones, or rather bricks, out here. This is my main gate, and here they are. So again, these are quite basically they call them rejects, but what I try to do, I try to select the ones which are the head a bit more square on them, okay, not so that I could use them and try and sort of tweak them into becoming a structure basically. So here they are. These are quite cheap actually. I think I bought these for 4,500 shillings. Now you compare these with the normal ones which I've used to construct my house, obviously, and the gate area. These ones I used to buy them for 11,000 shillings, the same load, the same quantity. So there you go. I hope I'm making sense in my explanation. So basically, that's it in terms of materials at the moment. Even then for the other construction materials which I haven't included, like the rebar and all that, again I'll be acquiring them cheaply, or rather as cheap and affordable as possible, and I will share on what I've done to achieve that. So there's ballast over there, then I'll also use this which was remaining from the construction of my house over here. So this is quite an addition to my project. So there you go, guys. My next video I will share with you the start of the actual foundation laying all the way to the floor, and then windows level, lintel, and then the roof. So that's the construction site. That's my fish pond, that's my resting area, and then that's the seasonal river over that way, and then that's the road, and then that's Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is that way, and then these are the lowlands. So thanks guys, hope to see you on my next video.